The Mini John Cooper Works combines powerful performance and precise handling to create a unique driving experience, perfectly staged on the winding Irohazaka Road in Japan. Tokyo. The Japan Mobility Show is a showcase for innovation and mobility. Attending the show also provides an opportunity to discover the diversity and beauty of Japan away from the metropolis of Tokyo. The drive along the Irohazaka Road, a spectacular winding mountain road in the Nikko region, combines driving pleasure with breathtaking nature. The journey begins in the center of the Japanese capital and continues north to Nikko National Park, around 180 kilometers away. The Irohazaka Road starts there, connecting Nikko National Park with the Oku-Nikko Plateau and leading through the most beautiful colors of autumn. However, it is not only a scenic highlight but also a challenge for drivers. The perfect stage for cornering fun with the Mini John Cooper Works. Equipped with a powerful 2-litre 4-cylinder twin-turbo petrol engine with 231 horsepower, 170 kilowatts, and a maximum torque of 380 newton-meters, each of the 48 bends becomes pure driving pleasure. The 7-speed automatic transmission with dual clutch gives the powerful 3-door model intense acceleration, perfect for winding roads. Standard paddle shifters offer the driver additional control over performance. The specially tuned suspension provides the typical go-kart feeling with agile handling, while the chili red painted brake system with JCW logo guarantees maximum braking precision and safety, even in demanding situations. Whether in the city, on narrow mountain roads, or in open passages, the Mini John Cooper Works impresses with its outstanding driving dynamics and agile handling, which make it the ideal companion for demanding roads and adventurous journeys. The drive along the Irohazaka Road emphasizes the core values of the Mini brand: passion, precision, and pure driving pleasure. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the JCW Adventures channel for the latest Mini news, advice, and reviews.